Hi, I'm JaTavius.
I'm Devin, and you're watching Disney Channel.
What? This is about railroad safety.
Oh. Train tracks are private property, which is why it is illegal to walk on them, and very dangerous to do so. If one is caught walking on train tracks, they can be fined up to $2,000.
Trains don't travel at specific times, and passengers' schedules are due to change, so you should always be careful when you cross the train tracks. Trains are quieter than they have ever been, so you should always be careful when you cross the train tracks. Here's an example now.
Some railroads have more than one train track. So that means that more than one train can go by at a time. A train takes about a mile to completely stop. So if the conductor does see you, he won't be able to stop in time.
That's all we have to teach you today. But remember, playing around the track is just plain whack. This is JaTavius Childress signing out. Hi, I'm JaTavius.
I'm Devin.
And you're watching?
Oh! Okay.
Hi, I'm JaTavius.
I'm Devin, and you're watching Disney Channel.
What? No, this is railroad safety.
It's illegal to walk. You gotta walk back!
God damn.
It's illegal. It's very A train takes about a mile to completely stop. So
Well, that's all we have to teach you today. That's all we have to teach you today. And remember, I messed up. That's all we have to
Wait, hold on, dang.
That was it.